Oh, welcome back to my Bishakha channel. Today's topic is about the static class. In our part 1 video, we have discussed about the abstract class. In part 2, we have discussed about the partial class, and now in part 3, we are going to discuss about the static class. In this video, we will discuss about the what is the static class. We will see the uses of the static class. Then after that we are going to see the example of the static class. Okay. Static class cannot be instantiated. It means that it can be only directly instantiated to the class name. I will show you in the Visual Studio and you will be pretty much clear about this line. Okay, first of all, we will see all the points and we will see in the Visual Studio. Okay, cannot be inherited. Static keyword is used. Contain only static members. Static class is used as the container for the static members like methods, constructor, and others. Static class is for core security. It will ensure that no other developer can instantiate it and inherit the static class. Okay, let's go to Visual Studio and see the example of this static class. Open the Visual Studio. Okay. Now, create the one of the folder for the static class. Add new folder, static classes. Okay. Let us assume that we have the another class called let us just right click, add and class. Okay. For example, we have the class name the student static class example. Okay. Example and in order to be this static, we should write the static keyword. Okay, static keyword. Okay. In our previous line, we have said that it cannot be instantiated directly instance to the class name. It means that if this is the one of the uh, static class, then it cannot be instantiated. It means that for example, we will create the another class for test static class. Okay. And public static void name. In our first line, we have said that static class cannot be instantiated directly instance to the class name. It means that it cannot be create the instance if our original class name is StudentSCExample, then see StudentSC new see that there is an error. See, cannot create an instance of the static class StudentSCExample. Okay, we cannot create the instance of the static class. Then how we can call the static class? We can call the static class directly by the uh, class name. Okay, we will see this cannot uh, initiated. Initiated. Just write the class name. Class name means this StudentSCExample. Okay. For example, we have the method name public static void method 1. Okay, we have the method with the message method 1. If this is the method, then we can call this method message by directly. Okay, since student this is the class name dot method name. See, we can directly means they directly instant directly instantiated to class name. Okay, this line is clear. Okay, cannot be inherited. Okay, suppose we have the another class. Okay, for example, uh, take class teacher set class. Okay, if we have the class name TeacherSC, then if the StudentSC is the static, then it cannot be inherited. Means and this way student. Okay, we will get the error. See, cannot derive the static class. Okay, class cannot inherited. Okay, you can see that in this line, I cannot inherited. Okay, just okay. This line is also clear. Okay, static keyword is used. You can see that we have used the static keyword. If the class is static, then the all the members must be static. See, and the method also is static. This is the static method. Okay, if we use the fill, then it must be also static. Okay, let's see static fill public static string student name. Bishakha. Okay, now the if we create the constructor, then it must be also static. This is static constructor. Oh, okay, is static constructor means static. This is constructor means the must be same name of the class name. Okay, our class name is StudentSCExample, right? Okay, StudentSCExample. Okay. Just declare the value Bishakha. You can see that if the class name is static, then all the member must be static. See, the static field also static, the constructor is also static, and the method also static. If one of the member inside the class static class is non-static, then we will give the error. See, okay. Static class cannot have instance called constructor. Similarly, yeah. Okay. Cannot declare instance member in the static class. Okay. Let us see in method also. See, does not access instance data can be marked as static. Okay. This line is also clear. Static keyword is used contain only static member. Okay. Static class is used as the container for the static member like method, constructor, and others. Okay. Static it is used as the container. Static class is used for the core security. It will ensure that no other developer can instantiate it and inherit the class static class. Okay, for example, if you want a very much secure class, then we can create the class as the static. For example, if one of the new developer changes the one of the important files of the class that should not have changed, then in that scenario, static class is very much useful. And or intentionally or unintentionally or intentionally, the employee could change the class, and if we want to secure the class, then we can make the class as static. I hope you have pretty much clear about the static class. Now we will see you in my next video about the shield class in part 4. Thank you.